Liam wakes up early. He feels excited because today he is going camping with his family. Liam loves nature, sleeping outside and looking at stars. After breakfast, Liam helps his parents pack the car. They bring a tent, sleeping bags, food, and flashlights. Liam wears his favorite jacket and hiking boots. Soon, everything is ready. They drive to a beautiful forest. Trees are everywhere, tall and green. Liam feels happy as they set up their tent near a small lake. He helps his father put up the tent while his mother prepares lunch. After eating sandwiches and apples, Liam goes exploring with his dad. They walk through the forest, listening to birds and watching squirrels play. Liam finds interesting stones and colorful leaves. He puts some in his pocket. Later, Liam and his family go swimming in the lake. The water feels cool and refreshing. They splash and laugh together. Liam enjoys every moment. In the evening, Liam helps build a campfire. His father teaches him how to light it safely. Soon, a warm fire glows brightly. Liam sits close to it, feeling cozy. They cook dinner over the fire. Liam eats hot dogs and roasted marshmallows. Everything tastes delicious. As night comes, stars begin to shine above them. "Wow!" Liam says softly. "There are so many stars." His mother smiles warmly. "The sky is beautiful tonight." They sit quietly around the fire, looking up. Liam's father points out stars and constellations. Liam listens carefully, amazed by the stories. Later, Liam lies in his sleeping bag inside the tent. He can still see stars through the tent's window. Liam feels peaceful and happy. "Good night," his mother whispers softly. "Good night," Liam replies gently. Liam thinks about the day. He feels grateful for his family and nature. Camping under the stars, he knows, is a special experience. He closes his eyes, smiling and dreaming about the next adventure.